reset my avatar world with me. So firstly, I want to reset this, but I'm resetting my characters too. And I bought all these clothes so I can change my characters and get these clothes back. So that way I don't lose them. Because I don't care about those clothes, but I do care about these ones. Let's do it to my mother too. They're just wearing, these two are wearing socks that you can get easily. So this one's wearing that. Wearing those. That. And then that. So we got those off. They pass. We're going to do the toddlers in a moment because I do not have the toddlers' clothes. So we can't do the toddler right now. Oh, I really don't care about her. I said I really don't care about her. Okay. Sorry guys, my computer's running. Put the dad in a dress. Don't question why he's wearing earrings, but they look good on him. Okay, so they're done. Now, let's just gather their clothes. This is their clothes. Supposedly everything reset, so let's hope that does happen. And, I don't even know if I have clothes for the toddlers to change into, so they don't wear those out. Wait, I know someplace. Okay, so I entered here, which I don't know why, but we're going to pull my babies out. Oh my god, they're holding their stuff. Never mind, we're going back to the house. We're gonna pull the babies out. The toddlers, I mean. Where did I go? I just accidentally clicked on someplace. Because I went to the old basketball court. Because why you added multiple bills of the same things? It's something different, like a hotel. Or a pool that you can actually move the pool and put it in your home. Like me and my cousin want that so badly. Anyway. So here's the babies. Toddlers. Sorry guys, I'm addicted to calling them babies. Okay, where am I going? Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna go here. Because there's toddler clothes down here. So what we're gonna do is, why is it being slow? Okay, so we're just gonna spawn. God, Lord. So many extra steps. Okay, click the random house. That way I can just pull those out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now just pull out my toddlers. I said toddlers this time, guys. Yeah. Okay. And See, his socks came from catalog, so it is. The girls did not, so I'm taking them. Don't want to give them to him because he's like, wait, I'm gonna have to give them to someone because I need to take them back to the house. So then when I reset my world, they reset. So I'm gonna pause this real quick. Okay, so Loki, I forgot to unpause, so you guys kind of missed some things, but really all I did was load in and pull on my avatar. Now we're gonna restart my world. This is just the kitchen used up. Oh, I'm gonna lose this kitchen. Bro. Literally. Well, let's do that. No, I built a house and it's gonna disappear though. You know what? It's okay. It's not my world. Sad. Okay, wait. My stuff is here. Let's hope all of it is, though. Load. I don't think I'm gonna draw in the meantime. Oh, never mind. Whoa, what is going on here? I don't think I found my stuff. I just realized they reset all my bakeries. No, I don't. I'm gonna rage quit. I'm actually gonna rage quit. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video to build again.